Hi, I'm Tom, a reference librarian at the Ritz Library. We offer many services at the library. Visit our homepage at sunidutchess.liveguides.com to find out more about them and see the research resources we offer. One service we provide is called Book A Librarian. It allows you to make an appointment with a reference librarian for up to an hour's worth of dedicated research time. If you have an assignment that's proving difficult to find resources for, Book A Librarian can help. Click on the Book A Librarian box on the library homepage and complete the form. Where the form asks for your email address, use your DCC address. This is where you'll receive confirmation of your scheduled appointment. There are 4 choices for your appointment meeting method. Choose the one best suited to your needs. Once you click Submit, a librarian will schedule your appointment and reply through your DCC email account. Most appointments are scheduled for the requested date and time, but if an alternate time is necessary, we will let you know. Thanks for watching. Other videos about library services can be found throughout our Ritz research guides and at this address.